plank lasts longer than your favorite song, but your abs still look the same, you might be doing it wrong. The plank is one of the most powerful core exercises you can do. It strengthens your abs, stabilizes your spine, and even improves big lifts like squats and deadlifts. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal a simple tweak that instantly makes your plank 10 times more effective. And missing it means your core won't reach its full potential. But here's the catch. Most people make 4 common mistakes that turn it into a complete waste of time. Sagging hips are probably the most common plank mistake. This one tiny mistake could ruin your plank completely. When your lower back arches, your abs stop working, and your plank turns into a lower back exercise, which can also lead to pain. Here's how to fix it in seconds. Straighten your legs, squeeze your glutes, tighten your abs, and keep your body in a straight line. Head, shoulders, hips, heels, one line. And the tweak that makes this mistake nearly disappear. Wait for it. But fixing your hips isn't the only key. There's another common mistake that's just as sneaky. Planking with hips too high is another problem. This shifts the tension from your abs to your shoulders, making it less effective. This one tweak makes your plank 10 times stronger. Lower your hips until your body forms a straight plank line. Not a mountain, not a hammock, just a straight line. Next, there's a mistake many don't notice until it's too late. Looking forward or lifting your head tilts your spine and strains your neck. Over time, this small mistake can silently ruin your posture. Keep your neck neutral and look slightly down at the floor, and the tweak that keeps your spine perfectly aligned. Stay tuned. And one last thing most people miss, it's tiny, but it makes a huge difference. Holding your breath kills the stability and makes your core fatigue faster. Your body needs oxygen to maintain tension. Breathe slow and controlled. Inhale through your nose. Brace your core, exhale while staying tight. Deep breathing keeps your abs engaged the entire time. Fix these mistakes, and your plank will become more powerful, more challenging, and way more effective for building abs. Drop a comment below and tell me, how long can you hold a perfect plank? And subscribe for more tips to strengthen your core and improve your workouts.